Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use HubSpot for sales. HubSpot Sales Hub is a powerful platform designed to empower your sales team, offering a comprehensive suite of tools to streamline your entire sales process. It helps you manage customer relationships, track every interaction, and automate repetitive tasks, ultimately boosting your team's productivity by up to 25%. We'll cover everything from initial lead engagement to detailed performance analysis, ensuring you get the most out of the platform. Effectively managing your leads and deals is crucial for sales success. HubSpot's CRM allows you to centralize all contact information, giving you a complete view of every prospect. You can easily create and update deal records, moving them through customizable sales pipeline stages. This visual representation helps you understand where each of your hundreds of deals stands. Plus, setting up tasks and reminders ensures you never miss an important follow-up, keeping your sales process on track. Boost your team's efficiency by leveraging HubSpot's powerful automation features. You can set up automated email sequences to engage prospects at scale, ensuring consistent communication without manual effort. Workflows can automatically create tasks, update properties, or send internal notifications, saving several hours each week. Furthermore, the meeting scheduling tool allows prospects to book appointments directly from your calendar, eliminating back-and-forth emails and streamlining the booking process for everyone involved. Understanding your sales performance is key to continuous growth. HubSpot provides robust reporting and analytics tools, allowing you to generate custom reports on crucial metrics like deal velocity, conversion rates, and sales activities. You can easily track individual salesperson performance and overall team progress against your established goals. This data-driven insight helps you identify successful strategies, pinpoint areas needing improvement, and make informed decisions to optimize your sales process for maximum results, potentially increasing your close rate by 10%.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.